23 million, 26 million, 342 million views. This YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram Reel videos are going extremely viral right now. Just take a look at this YouTube channel. With 20 videos uploaded, they have been able to get over 149,000 subscribers. The amazing thing is that they only started posting these videos 19 days ago, so it took them roughly 20 days to get over 100,000 subscribers. And they have been able to get a total of over 43 million views in this short period of time. Isn't that crazy, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you guys exactly how you can create videos like this using Sora 2. If you are serious about starting a YouTube automation channel, bro, this is the right time. You just need to watch this video to the end, because the information I'm going to be passing to you guys in this video, most of these YouTube automation gurus are selling it to you guys. The first step in generating a viral video just like this channel is to log in to ChatGPT and click on the Explore button over here. And then it's going to bring you to the GPT discovery page. Click on the search bar and type 10 seconds prompt. I'm also going to be adding a link to the chat in the video description below. Click on start chat over here. After that, the next thing you need to do is to ask ChatGPT to create you a prompt to generate a Sora 2 doorbell camera video featuring a dog. Click on generate, and ChatGPT is going to provide you with the prompt that you can use to generate your viral video with Sora 2. Okay, so now that you've gotten your prompt, the next step is to generate your viral video. Let me show you guys exactly how you can do that. To generate your video, we will be accessing Sora 2 with Clippy AI. The link will be on the pinned comment and the description below. If you don't have an account with Clippy AI, you will need to create one, and it's very easy. Just click on Get Started Now and sign up with your Gmail account. When you're done creating an account, it's going to bring you to the home page of Clippy AI. At the top here, you're going to see Sora 2 Generate Without Watermark. Now click on Try Now over here. This is the page where you're going to be generating all your viral videos. Alright, so the first step is to select your module. So click on the button over here and go to the provided module here. As you can see, we have VE03, we have Sora 2, and we also have CDance. Sora and VE03 are the most expensive models here, but you also agree with me that when it comes to video generation, the two models are the best. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be going with Sora 2 because it costs only 55 credits. But you need to also take note that you have other better plans like Sora 2 Pro, which gives you a more quality resolution, and it costs 165 credits. And also they have Sora 2 Pro for 1080p, and it costs 275 credits to generate. If you are a baller, you can go for the 180p. But if you just want to create your video, you can just simply click on the Sora 2 over here. Now that we've selected our model, the next thing we need to do now is to select our aspect ratio. So click on this 16:9 here and change it to 9:16 because we are making a YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reel video, so it has to be 9:16, right? The next thing is to select the resolution, but because we chose the lowest Sora generator, we only have 720p here, which will be enough for us to generate our video. The next thing is to select the duration, and this is very important. You want to make sure you select 12 seconds. Now, as we see in the beginning, it cost us only 55 credits, but because we chose 12 seconds, the credits have now shifted to 165 credits, which is something you need to take note of when generating your video. Now that you've done all the settings, the next thing you need to do now is to go back to ChatGPT and copy your prompt, then come back to Clippy AI and paste it over here. Now, before you click on generate, you can decide to enhance your prompt with AI if you don't really like how the prompt is. If you want the AI to give you a better prompt, trust me, Clippy AI actually designed this button to give you the best prompt to generate your video. So when you're done with that, the next thing you want to do now is click on send prompt and then give the AI some time to start generating your video. It usually takes a minute, depending on how complex the prompt is. The video is done generating. To view your video, just click on View in Library over here, or click on Download if you want to just download it to your device straight away. But first of all, we're going to click on View Library, and then it's going to bring you to the Media Library here. As you can see, I've been doing a lot of generation lately. Let's review what we've been able to generate so far.
No! I'm inside! I'm inside!
Sir, do you know why I pulled you over?
Squawk! Because you got nothing else important to do with your time, officer!
Everything that I've just shown you guys in this video is the exact step this channel is using to pull in millions of views. And considering the fact that this channel is not even up to 28 days yet, but they have been able to pull over 45 million views, it's just crazy. Follow the exact steps that I've shown you guys in this video and start posting videos now. But make sure you come back and thank me in the next 30 days. Peace.